So Vortex, let's sing about it, shall we? Let's sing about narcissism, as if we haven't already. Well, I could sing about my own. I used to have this fantasy of being famous. And I used to have this fantasy about love. And I used to have this fantasy about creating a tribe of people. Did you see that ugly ass car pass us by? It's that box car, that metal box car. They just love metal, don't they? They love it inside of them. They love it inside their head. That's why everything around you has no life anymore. It's just like so gray now. Everything looks like a prison. And if it doesn't, it's like gay. You know, so those are your options. Like either you go to some place that looks like a prison, or you go to some place that's just like all of the letters. All of the letters, and that's fine. I don't even care about that shit. I'm just like so bored with everything. I'm bored with the drama of everything to the extent that like I just want to be apathetic. Like I strive to be apathetic because I care too much about certain things. And it just sucks the life and joy out of me. But at least I'm not an energy vampire. I definitely think I used to be somewhat. I was just really sappy and sad. So, it's cool. Like, watching this channel, I know I've definitely grown because, like, I mean, I am sad. I'm still sad. And I'm still angry. This is the world that they chose subconsciously. I don't have a TV on my person cause I have one side of me. Ooh, I like that a lot. You're not gonna be able to do it. It's so discouraging. It's just like my dad. My dad was actually way more encouraging. My mom's the one that's like the most discouraging person. Oh yeah, back to women being narcissists. Let's talk about my mom. She's a boomer. Yeah. Boomer. Gloom and doomer. I've said that before. Sang about it. I know I have. Yeah. It's true. A lot of these stereotypes are pretty fucking right. Ooh, 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 ooh. No. No, Vortex. We can't lose you. Because things don't go your way, don't give you the right to treat people with such dismay, such dismay, such dismay. Can't wait till you decay, decay, decay. Tactic. Ooh. That was good. That was a good little catch there. Ooh. Fuck. Amy. I'll be back, Vortex.